tutorial you will learn about basics of table view with custom cell. First of all, type table view in search bar and drag it to your storyboard. Press Ctrl and drag this view controller to the round icon and click on Delegate and Data Source. Now create new table view cell file. Also mark the checkbox for creating zip file. Click on the cell and give it an identifier and save it. Now link the labels and image to its class. Press Ctrl and drag it to the Swift file and release Ctrl. Now save this file as well. Now go to the main storyboard and link table view to its class. You can put any kind of images in the asserts for later usage. Now we need to make arrays to show in the table view. First, array for titles. Second, array for subtitles. array for images. Now we need to link the zip file. Here you need to write the name of zip file. Here write the identifier of my table view cell. Now write extension outside of the view controller class. We will use tableview write-back functions in it. First one is the number of rows in the section. This function will tell the total number of rows. Second one is the cell for row it. This function is used to tell the values in the cell. Now we need to set the height of cell in the table. Now application is ready to run. In the next tutorial we will continue from here, and you will learn some other basic functionalities of table view.